Experiment: refraction through an isosceles light prism. The aim of the experiment is to trace the course of light ray incident normally on an isosceles right-angled prism and also to measure the angle of deviation. Apparatus used: drawing board, long pins, white sheets of paper, board pins and one isosceles right-angled prism. An isosceles right-angled prism is taken. Incident ray is normal to the one of the equal side of the isosceles right-angled prism, and then we trace out the deviated ray. This is the deviated ray. We can see only one pin. Now we are going to join and find out the emergent ray. We measure the angle of deviation and it comes to 90 degree. We are going to repeat the same experiment twice. Placing the right-angled isosceles prism in a different direction and taking the incident ray on one of the equal side, we get the emergent ray. Now we are going to join and find out the angle of deviation. As we can see, the angle of deviation comes to 90 degree. We repeat the experiment for the third time, changing the position of this isosceles right-angled prism. Incident ray is drawn on one of the equal side and the emergent ray is traced. Now we are going to join and find out the angle of deviation. Angle of deviation we got 90 degree when the incident ray is normally incident on one of the equal sides of a right-angled prism. When we write all the data in an observation table for an isosceles right-angled prism, we find that angle of deviation is 90 in every case. And then we can conclude that when the incident ray is incident normally on one surface of an isosceles right prism, angle of deviation will be 90 degree.